Hello everyone. I just wanted to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel. I know you don't have to, but you went ahead and did it anyway. And I just wanted to let you all know how much it means to me and how hard I'm going to continue to work to bring all of you the best content that I can bring you. So I just got back from vacation and I found something in an old store in Cambria. So I decided to come home and give it a home. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but you'll see in a few minutes. Right now it's starting to look like a volcano. Now it really looks like a volcano. And it cracked when it dried. Not to worry, I'll cover it with Flex and Fill. Giving it a base coat of gray. Now it looks like a chocolate rock, but it's not a chocolate rock. But it is a rock. It's a sword letter opener, and I made it a home. So just a quick video to say how much I appreciate every single one of my subscribers. It really means a lot, and I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much.